Look, I'm over down here.
Bring the 6 feet. Here's that. Backside. Hey, hey. 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 Already shot 0 times. Hey. 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 Hey.
I'm going up. I'm going around. Some contact behind. Contact behind you. Hostage, you better cooperate or I'm gonna shoot you in the head. Tell me when they pop out. I'm gonna punch you.
I just told you.
No.
I want to cooperate. Can't really see anything. All I see is the dirt pile and that tree.
Yeah, we got somebody back there.
I only shot the head. Already had to eat.
Scared me.
Do I have to just wait? Do I have to hold this grenade or not?
I don't know. You
Well,
have
the
to.
pin's pulled, but I mean,
You gotta hold it.
no. I could just kill this all right now. Nope, not gonna do it.
Don't put it back in.
Put it back in.
Don't put it back in.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket so you don't lose it.
Alright.
I'm gonna put it back in. I'm bleeding out. I'm bleeding out. Hey. 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 I'm bleeding out. I'm bleeding out.
Sebastian, you get a self-revive, you know that, right? Hey, Sebastian, he has to give you a 5-second head start.
Oh.
Sebastian. Hey, Luke, I'm going down. Luke, I'm going down, okay? Not all the way to the bottom.
That was a triplet.
Sebastian, you get a self-revive and you get 5 seconds where he can't shoot you.
Oh god. Sounds like little baby. Help! Somebody go help me. I'm the hostage. I want to be saved.
Hey, they're over here, Luke.
Alex. Hey, who is that?
Oh, okay.
Why do we gotta stop shooting? What? Yeah, stop shooting. Stop.
Got that, Luke? Okay, below.
Okay.
What?
Just tell me to be quiet. Thanks.
Sebastian, where's he at? Wait, where's contact? Contact, Gage is out there. Pretty sure. Just hang out. Watch back. Hey, watch back. I got up here. He went around your way.
Hey, I'm hit, boy. I call it, I'm holding my gun up, boy.
Help! I'm the hostage. Help me, please. Just don't shoot me.
Somebody got shot in the right cheek.
I like right cheeks.
You want me to pull down my pants and show you my right hind end?
With the little red dot.
You know they're just wasting time, right?
Yeah, there's somebody sneaking in there.
Well, actually, Gage is right there.
I don't want to be shot today. Right now, I've already been shot.
Yeah.
In your butt. I'm sorry.
Gage is right there.
Put these handcuffs on too tight. You put these handcuffs on too tight. I'm gonna fix them. What was that?
Hey, Luke, get a peek through. He's right here.
Can
Gage
I
is...
walk into the barn where I'm at a crossfire?
Don't let him. Don't let him. They can revive him. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna walk into the barn. Okay, I'm gonna walk towards you there. Which way?
Way that your butt cheek is facing.
Walking this way.
Hope y'all know that I've already been shot, right?
Wait, you've been shot?
Yeah.
By them?
Yeah.
Dude, that means we won.
I got shot in the leg.
Well, then you bled out to death.
That's why I've been singing. I've been bleeding out.
What? Alright.
I'm just kidding. I didn't get shot. I haven't been shot yet. I don't want to be shot yet. Hey, I'm just gonna say this. I'm a hostage.
Got the wrong hostage.
Son, it's the
Wrong number.
Dude, that would have been amazing. Like pretend that. What?
Hey, he's got a hostage. Hey, you can't play a dead man as a target. Or cover.
He's a meat shield. It's okay. Y'all are stalling like forever.
Guys, come on! Hit! Out.
You gotta self-revive. Get yourself up. You gotta self-revive. No, he hasn't. Where's he at?
Okay, yeah, they're definitely aiming for me.
Where are they at?
I don't know. I don't know what this is. Whoa, there you go.
Yeah. You got like 3 seconds because I haven't been counting.
Gage, call your hits.
I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself. Self. I want to kill myself.
Man,
I didn't know what we're going to do. Is that far enough away to say bang?
hey Luke, to that little hole. To that little hole is that bang?
Yeah, I'd say so.
That's bang right there. Bang, bang.
Alright, well, I get myself revived, right? I'll say
No, you guys don't get self-revives. You guys, once you get hit, you're dead. Since there's only 3 of us.
I got hit.
So you guys don't have self-revives. Alright.
So if it's ricochet, does it count as hit?
No. Plan B.
'Cause I've
Luke,
been hit by-
give me cover fire. I'm going to drop back and run around.
Why does it sound like girl?
That was awesome. Luke, give me cover fire, okay? I'm going to drop down and go around back.
They're gonna shoot you. Drop down.
I'll get a self-revive anyway, so.
Ah, that was nice. I don't know about it.
I'm dropping.
Alex!
What? I got hit. I'm gonna hop down. I'm gonna hop down. Crap. Luke, just fend him off. I'm hit. I'm coming down. I'm hit. Crap.
Who else is alive?
Hey, wait, not sure, man. You see me? I am the hostage.
Bang, bang.
Wait, you said you got hit.
Self-revive. Bang, bang.
2 seconds though. Wait, from here to you is bang bang or?
Yeah.
Shot.
Because I could have shot you very easily right there.
You could have, but you didn't.
Yeah, that was nice. What?
Wait, don't you get 1 revive?
You get 1 self. You guys don't. No, I'm right beside the barn. I'm right beside the barn. Bang, bang. Zach. Zach, you're out. Is everybody dead? Yeah, call bang bang on him. And plus he already got hit twice. We're over.
I thought you were bang bang last time like at the
What
place
mean?
I went to last time bang bang thing was like 5 feet away.
Oh,
5 feet or closer.
well, you still called yourself out. So. I didn't even have any ammo in it. So
Hey.
you can still call a bluff, you know that, right?